C for cat, soft and sweet. D for dog with 4 fast feet. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish that swims all day.
G for giraffe, so tall and neat.
H for horse with galloping feet.
I for ice cream, cold and yummy.
J for joker, oh so funny.
K for kite, flying high.
L for lion with a roar in the sky. N for monkey climbing trees. N for nest in the breeze. O for owl, hoop at night.
P for penguin, black and white.
Q for queen with a golden crown.
R for rainbow coming down.
S for sunflower, tall and bright.
T for train that goes all night.
U for umbrella in rain. V for van on the lane. W for whale, so big and blue. X for zongo, music for you. Y for yak with fuzzy hair. Z for zebra with stripes